जी सर, होगी स्टार्ट।
अच्छा, हम डिपार्टमेंट जब क्रिएट करेंगे ना,
हम्म।
तो क्या होगा कि बेसिकली जी फर्स्ट हम वी हैव टू सी द डेट। ठीक है जी, मैं ये देखना चाहता हूँ कि व्हाट इज द डेट फॉर अवर प्रीवियस जब 1 Jan 2020। सो वी आर ऑलरेडी ऑन 1 Jan 2020। आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ न्यू डिपार्टमेंट नाउ। सो आई विल क्लिक ऑन न्यू icon, write down the department name. I will select department type. Even this type is basically optional, because if you see the field color, it is white color, it's not yellow color. So these are only two mandatory fields which need to be filled. First we will save this first block, then we will select the location. Okay, then we save this one, and for this department we will select the HR organization, because under the HR organization we have to enter the costing information. So we will check the enable checkbox as well. So these three sections need to be saved separately. Now your department is created with effect from 1st January 2020. Now I want to add them into my hierarchy. I will change this reset date. I will click on Control F11. This is my okay. We don't we will not change this hierarchy na, so far. You want to test on this. So
Okay.
now you want to enter finance costing under finance. So you will click on down arrow key. Now you will, once you write down costing, it will come automatically. Why? Because the department is created. These all is what, see this section. This is organization. Heading, see the heading. This is organization. Organization name. So these organization and organization names come from organization screen. Okay, so first we have to create the organization. Now you can see under CCL business group you have finance department. Under finance department you have number of subordinates. So based on the main screen, you see that there are one subordinate. You want to go drill down, you have to click down, then you can click on costing. So costing linked to hierarchy finance, and finance is linked to business group.
ओके
This is the hierarchy.
सर।
इस तरह बेसिक जी जी जी
सर, इससे पिछली स्क्रीन में आपने जो HR लिखा था डिपार्टमेंट, वहाँ पे फाइनेंस नहीं आना था?
नहीं, फाइनेंस नहीं आना था। वो HR organizations are basically classifications, so
हाँ।
we cannot change the classifications.
ओके।
These are the classifications basically, and these are predefined classifications.
ओके।
Number one thing, these are predefined classifications, and based on all these classifications, every classification have their different impact. Okay, so when we are creating a department, we will select HR organization. When we are creating the business group, we are selecting business group. See, business group. If even we have any other information, bank branch organization, maybe some information required on this section, so we will use that uh, classification basically, because every classifications have their different impact basically.
ओके।
For example, supply chain team want to create organization which is inventory organization, so they will select their type, they will not select HR organization. Even the legal employer is basically the type where when the finance team create the legal entity uh, and do their setup, basic setup, they define the legal employer as well. Operating unit is also is one classification type. So these are the standards classifications which need to be entered based on the type and based on the scenario. And if now you see on this type classification, once I click on others, then I can go into this costing information, parent organization, all these informations link with HR organization. So once I later on when we will go for costing information, I will want to hit the costing, which I defined you last time as well. There's some issue again in that costing section. So if there is some any, you can say the costing information and need to enter, then we have to enter the HR organization.
Okay, sir.
And every department in HR have to define the classification HR organization. So these are the standard, you can say the classifications which we used
Yes, sir.
based on our situation.
I got it, sir, now.
Let me now come to the position.
Okay.
And let me see how many positions you already have created. Let me see, click on find. Directly, this is the one which we created yesterday. This is the second you created today. Okay, 5001 human resource. You created the same.
Yes,
See,
same
human
with
resource.
yes, same with the different employee code.
But that is fine. Employee code is fine, but the point is
Position should be different.
position need to be different because it is going to be again the same position. Code is fine, but it's only get better link when you have 2 directors or 3 directors in your department. You get my point? For example, you have 10 employees in your human department, human resource department, and you have 3 directors in that department, and you want to create 3 different positions with different code definitely. Then this position need to be linked with second employee or with the third employee director.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Because I mentioned you last time कि जब हमारे पास suppose करें 1000 employee एक organization के अंदर हैं, then we have to create thousands positions, and every employee have their own position. ठीक है, तो इसको हम देख लेते हैं. फिर आपने 502 बनाई है, 5002 कर दिया है उसको. ठीक है, फाइनेंस डायरेक्टर इज फाइन, फाइनेंस डायरेक्टर ठीक है. देन ओनली ठीक है. तो ये यानी कि आपने इस तरह किया. लेकिन आप द पॉइंट इज कि आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे, वैसे तो वो जो कोड ऑटोमेटिक generations I mentioned you in very initial stage, that basically code initial need to be required some, you can say coding. Okay, तो अब बेसिकली हमारे पास, क्योंकि हमारे पास SQL तो है नहीं जिसपे मैं वो सेलेक्ट की क्यूरी लिखूं और इंक्रीमेंट का वो कोड लगाऊं और इस वैल्यू सेट के साथ लगा दूं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी ऐड इनटू द वैल्यू सेट. क्योंकि इफ यू सी, once we created the structure, ठीक है ना, once we created the position key flex field, on that time these are the 2 value sets, means these are the 2 segments which we created. Yes, and so far we didn't added any value set on that time. तो basically उस वक्त मैंने आपको कहा था कि basically होता क्या है कि when we are creating this position code, what will happen, that when you click on the new button, for example, and I click on this field here, 00002 will come automatically. Okay. So you don't have to worry about that position code. But for that, I will try in any other session to get that code. Okay, maybe I have already in my system. So what I will do, I will get that code, I will add that with the value set, and on that time you will get an idea how that number will generate automatically. So you don't have to enter manually.
Okay,
Because
sir.
if you see here, what you have done, you enter 5001. Even the sequence is not this. Sequence is penta
Uh,
0
One.
1. So what you have to do, you have to do like this. For example, 2. Get my point?
Okay, sir.
This is the basically sequence hierarchy, sequence basically which I am trying to tell you.
Sir,
Means now in this, yeah.
can we delete these two positions?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. But the point is, once we are going to delete this position, we have to be make sure that this position is not attached to any employee. This is another point which you want to know. Because as I mentioned that every position, if we have 500,000 employees in our organization, we have to create 500 or 1,000 positions, and we have to attach those positions with the employee individually. So for example, if you come here and you try to delete the position, you cannot delete it because that position will be already attached. For example, let me try to delete this position. Let me try to delete this position. See, you cannot delete a position to which employees are assigned. You get my point?
Okay.
It will only be deleted in different scenarios. It can be ended. It can be ended. How it can be ended? For example, now this employee to whom this position is attached left the company.
Left the company. Yes.
Okay. So you undated the employee record in the HR, and based on that, this position will automatically be undated as well.
Okay.
Then you can come here. For example, you undated the employee on 30th April 2021. Okay. And you have to come here, and then you have to change the date, and on 30th April 2021, you will come on 30th 2021, and then you will click on delete icon,
Okay.
and then what you will do, you will undate this record. Just hold on. For example, I click on delete icon, I click on yes. Here basically it is still asking purge. Okay, I will also explain you what is the purge option. Purge is basically the option when you click on purge, means when the record is going to delete now, it is going to delete from the table as well.
Okay.
Yeah, the purge is very complicated button, means the command basically, but you have to be very careful when this purge button come in front of you. So you have to make sure that you really want to delete that record, because if you click on purge, it will not means uh, remain any history. There will be no history of
Okay.
that record. So that is a very means complicated scenario, mostly in HR module, because in Oracle as well, because it's need to require to make the history. Okay, so that is another point which just comes in front of us. Uh,
Sir, if we
Give me.
go
जी जी
Sir, if we go for end date option, then
yeah, I will show you that. I will show you that what is the end date option. Let me actually the screen is okay. End date options. For example, I want to end date this means you can say the position which is all not attached yet, which is not attached yet. What I will do, I will come on 30th April, for example, APR 2021. I will click on it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm on 20th, 30th April. I want to end date it. I will click on delete icon. Do you yes? Still asking purge because I don't. If I will click purge now, this position will be delete completely. You
okay,
see, because it is not attached to some anyone's any with any employee. But still, I didn't save my record. I close my record screen and I click no, and I can means roll back that transaction because I didn't fulfill. I didn't save the record. Na? Based on that, I am still able to find that position because I didn't save that record. So
okay,
that is also some tricks are there. So you have to be will be become experience on that once it will comes hands-on practice to you. Uh, I want to expand my screen. Why it is not expanding? I just hold on.
uh, sir, which one position screen?
एक्चुअली no 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 नहीं नहीं मेरे पास एक्चुअली ना स्क्रीन थोड़ी हाफ आ रही है
हम्म
हम्म मैं जरा उसको करा आप जरा एक मिनट
मेरे
वीडियो पॉज कीजिएगा
जी जी सर, होगी स्टार्ट।
ओके ठीक है तो एंड डेट आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट इज नॉट वर्किंग राइट नाउ लेकिन ये वर्क करती है ठीक है मैं इसको दोबारा देख लूंगा देन आई विल श्योरली यू एन update on this. The recording is started.
Yes, sir. It has started
अच्छा
now.
ओके दैट्स ठीक हो गया तो अभी हम जो है वो क्या करना चाह रहे हैं अब एम्प्लॉयज के ऊपर काम करना है और पोजीशन को अटैच करना है कि यू विल डू दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज बाय योरसेल्फ
सर, पोजीशन को जो अटैच करते हैं वो सर एक दफ़ा ज़रा उसको बता दें, बाकी हायरार्की की
हाँ जी
पोजीशन
जी हाँ पोजीशन अब आपने क्रिएट की फॉर एग्जांपल वी लेट अस सी द पोजीशन
हेलो।
हेलो
जी सर, रिकॉर्ड वो सर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था आपकी तरफ से यहाँ से।
अच्छा एप्लीकेशन आ रही है आपके पास
जी सर।
आई
मैं
थिंक नहीं नहीं शेयरिंग जो है वो खत्म आई थिंक शेयरिंग इज
हाँ शेयर।
नॉट अनेबल्ड
जी सर, अब सर मैंने कर दिया सर।
ओके डन हो गया बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया ओके तो हम ये देखना चाह रहे थे यार आई थिंक आज जो है ना आपने कोई ऐसी कोई ऑप्शन एनेबल की है जिसकी वजह से अच्छा चलें अभी मैं देखता हूँ। मेरा ठीक है, डन हो गया। Okay, let me find that position now, which you already created.
ओके
फिर हम उसी पोजीशन की बेस पे जो the employee which you already have created, we will attach that position to the employee. अच्छा, that is one which we already created and attached. ठीक है. The second one is not coming. Why? आपने कौन सी on which date you have created the position?
सर सेकंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डायरेक्टरी थी सर वो 5001
ठीक है.
5
ठीक है. Yeah, one is this position and the second one is this position. I want to change the position name, for example, because so far the position is not created. Okay, means position is not attached
अटैच
again. So what I will do, I will create human resource manager.
ओके
Yeah.
सर बिफोर अटैचमेंट वी कैन एडिट
Yeah, we can edit. We can do anything, as you can see right now. We can do anything before it's linked with an employee.
ओके
But again, it will not work because position is a manager and job over here is director. Let me try to change this one as well, but this is not recommended basically. But let me try to do if it will allow. Okay, that functionality is not available here. But and now this is one another point which I want to show you. It will take a little bit time, but the point is mm, it is not enabled. Means why it is not available? Because the you can say the profile option. One of the profile option is not enabled. Okay, so what we will do, let me enable that profile option, and then we'll get more hand idea that we already worked on profiles and all other kind of things, so you will get more better idea. So once we will enable the profile option for this specific responsibility, you will get an idea. System. I think system is or yours side or maybe my side, both side have some net issue because it's showing very slow, working very slowly.
यस सर
Yeah, navigation is very slow. Let me enable diagnostics. This is one of the, I think, a profile option. Yeah, FND diagnostic. Here, as you see on a site level, it is no, but I will enable it at a responsibility level and hide. Yeah. FND diagnostics is. Let me enable this. I saved it. Now let me come back to my responsibility. Hopefully,
सर व्हाट डज एफएनडी मींस
that is one of the profile basically. As I mentioned you, there is a lot of profiles. More than 1,000 profiles are there, and every profile has a different functionality. So what I was trying to do, I was clicking on help and I was going into examine field. That is a pop-up window. But because of that profile option was not enabled, that's why I was unable to uh, open that. Now let's see it will allow me now or not. Share function whatever this will change responsibility. That is I cannot able to click on OK button. Can you click on OK?
Okay, sir. Done, sir. For my side.
Yeah.
Your internet connection is
Navigation.
unstable.
Okay. जी आप उधर हैं सर?
जी सर.
आपका सर आई थिंक देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम योर साइड क्योंकि आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं.
जी अच्छा, मेरी तरफ से है वो. हाँ, आया तो था मैसेज.
स्क्रीन शेयर करें जरा.
जी सर, मैं. जी सर, हो गई मेरी तरफ से.
ठीक हो गया. या फाइन. अच्छा इसको हम लेटर में एक प्रोफाइल ऑप्शन चेक कर लेता हूँ. तो आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू दिस पॉइंट एज वेल. अभी हम क्या करते हैं क्योंकि एज आई मेंशन बिकॉज वी वांट टू क्रिएट अ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी sorry responsibility position. So the position as I mentioned in our last session, that position need to be attached linked with the department and with the job. So now you already created with the job director which we already have already created. So I want to delete this position. So how, because this position is not attached to any you can say with any employee, so I can delete this position.
Okay sir.
Let me do one this thing. Okay, finally give the remote access.
Yes.
Okay, now once I try to delete this one, this will delete automatically. It will ask me to purge and I will purge this record. And I will save the record.
Okay sir.
Now the position is deleted. You can see in the bottom, transaction complete, one records apply. So
Yes.
let me create one position with effect from today's date. I will click 0000002 because that code still we have an option to you can say to handle the things manually, na? Because position code we are creating manually, so
Yes.
we can handle that option too. And I will create position human resource
Manager.
position name manager. And once I click on that, the type I will select single.
Incumbent.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, he will not be shared because he will be under reporting of director HR.
No. It's not like that. It's not like that. See, manager is one job, director is one another job. So
Okay.
every and the job means director is one person, manager is another person. So every person, I'm telling you that if we have 500 employees, we have to create 500 positions.
Hmm.
So based on that, the person who is a manager, I will assign the manager position to him. No? If he is a director, I will assign director position to him. Why should I override it? I get your point that you are talking about hierarchy point of view. That is not going to be concerned here. That is
Okay.
not going to be work. That position hierarchy based, when we will go into hierarchy, then this position will be lying under director.
Okay, sir. No,
You get my point? Yeah.
no concept is clear, sir.
Hmm.
Single
Because
entity.
organization, as you see in organization, we create the departments. Then we go into the organization hierarchy.
Hmm.
And in the organization hierarchy, we said that under business group, yes, finance, human resource, IT department, all department lying under means business group. And
Business
if we have any other department, as I created today for you, costing will be reporting to finance,
finance
and
department.
finance is going to reporting to CCL company basically. So
Okay.
this is basically hierarchy chain. So you basically we are doing only position creation. Na?
Hmm.
We didn't create the hierarchy. So once we will do that, na, you will get that idea. The position definitely doesn't exist. What is position definition? Yeah. Director. Can you click on the cancel button?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. So let me-
Sir, today my internet is not stable.
Yeah, that's why it's very, जो है ना, disturbing the screen. It's not.
हेलो
जी
जी सर, सर ये मेरी तरफ से ही है मसला, वो डिस्कनेक्ट।
हाँ जी 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 सर, आपकी तरफ से ही है वो, मैंने भी आपको पहले भी यही कहा है, क्योंकि मेरा तो चल रहा है फाइबर।
अच्छा
बेसिकली वीडियो तो आप बेसिकली जो है ना उसको तो पॉज करें ना, आज की वीडियो तो बिल्कुल ही वो हमारी जो है ना
बिल्कुल।
काम की नहीं बनी, क्योंकि वो 2-3